In one of my previous videos, I've taught you guys how to edit this kind of video where you will be flying in the air like this one you're seeing on the screen here now. Now, for the sake of those that did not watch that very video or practice what I taught in that very video, I'm going to teach you again how to edit this kind of video using your just smartphone with Capcut editing application.
Alright, let's head over to Capcut to show you how I recorded the video, then we will proceed with the tutorial. Okay, so click on the new project here to bring in the first raw video. Okay, let me search for it. Here is the video, then you click on add button to bring it to the editing interface. Now before I continue, I want to remove the unwanted part. Then highlight the video, click on split button to have it split, and highlight this side and delete it by clicking on this delete button. Then you take the video forward again. We don't want it to be long. Okay, like this, highlight it again, split, delete this part by clicking here. Now we are done with that one. We need to bring in the sky feature. Okay, now you need to click on this plus button. Clicking on it, it will take you to your gallery. Let's search for it. Here is it. Then click on add button to bring it up to the editing interface. Let's also do some adjustment from this place that the effect is being taken up. Okay, let me position it from here. Very good. Highlight, click on split, then highlight the left hand side and come over to delete to have it deleted. Now take it forward a bit, highlight it, click on split, now click on delete to remove the right hand side. Now we still need more of this feature. What you need to do is to come over to this plus sign button. Okay, now at this time we are going to click on this very camera here. You will see a point down arrow. Reason for that is that I need to stream search the feature that I want to use. I downloaded this somewhere. The second download, click on it. Now it will take you to this place. This is the sky feature that I used. Now click on add button. What you need to do at this point is to have it highlighted. Now come over and pitch it in. It will appear like this. Now scroll to the raw video. What you need to do at this point is to have it highlighted. Search for overlay and take it to overlay. Okay, click and hold and take it to the beginning of the video like this. Here the works begin. Highlight the overlay, search for transform. Here is it. Click on resize. Now come over to this part and scroll it up. Just resize it so that the only thing that will be left is the very young guy and the green color. Once you're done doing that, you come over to this check mark key. Now I have it checkmate. Now once you're done doing that, click on this very return arrow and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG and select chroma key. Now come to the circle inside here, just touch it and navigate through the screen until the color is totally removed. Come to intensity and adjust the button forward like this to clear the residual part of that green color. Okay, 44 is okay. Click on this very check mark button. Click on this return key. Come back to this transform button. Click on it and click arrow. The essence of it is that we want to change the direction of this very young guy. You can see it. Okay, what you need to do now is to use your hand and then reposition this guy like this, your two thumbs. Okay, very good. Like this is okay. What you need to do here is to come over here and increase the speed. Click on it, come to speed, then click on normal and adjust it to 1.4. Do the same thing to this one, 1.4, and click on this check mark button here. What you need to do now is to come to this very young guy here, which is the overlay clicked. Have it highlighted by touching it. Come over to this very keyframe here and touch it. It will turn to minus. Adding this very little red arrow here. Now use your hand to take this very young guy down here like this, to slide it like this, then increase the size of it. Now as you push the video forward, come over to this young guy and take it up a bit. Then reduce its size by zooming it in. Okay, now let's proceed. You can take the boy forward by adjusting it from here. Automatically another keyframe will be added. Now you can return the guy, increase the size by zooming it in. Just play around the keyframe here. Now return the guy again and then reposition him the way you want. Okay, so let's stop here and then come over to split the stuff. Click delete to have this side deleted. Click on the overlay sky, click on split to split it, and then highlight the right hand side and click on delete to remove it. Now let's play the video before exporting it. Very nice. Okay, now at this point you need to come over to export. Click on it to have your video exported to your gallery. From there, you can post it to your channel. What you need to do for me is to like this video, comment, and then share it for others to benefit from it. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.